Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, you will search about the application of EWA and you will click in this page. Then here you will go to force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone, so please don't forget